Welcome to Popular Cruising and our video review of the Celebrity Century from Celebrity Cruises. As the most mature in Celebrity's fleet, the Century retains classic charm while representing the modern luxury brand well, with some updated features and decor. The Cova Cafe is one such piece of the cruise line's heritage, with the rest of the fleet featuring the new Cafe Al Baccio. And just forward of the cafe, you'll find the library, as well as the cinema and conference center. Rich woods accent the corridor that leads to the ship's unique escalator that will transport you to the upper level of the Celebrity Theater, where production shows and guest entertainers are featured nightly. The stylish Martini bar is a great venue for cocktails before or after the shows. Or for a more traditional setting, the adjacent Michael's Club will fit the bill. Nearby, Online at Celebrity still features PCs and has not been converted into an iLounge sporting Apple products. The Crystal Room is a striking Art Deco themed venue for additional entertainment and cocktail parties. Here, the geometric Rendezvous Lounge exhibits a fun pub atmosphere. While at sea, the shops and the casino afford the opportunity to spend or win some money. And for a ship of this size, the space is quite expansive. While the adults play in their way, kids get to enjoy the colorful fun factory. Impeccable service and high-quality banquet-prepared food are found in the main dining room. For the most exquisite culinary experience on board, head on over to Murano. At this specialty restaurant, fine meals are crafted a la minute or tableside. And for fans of casual dining, Islands Cafe serves up delicious buffets for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Other options include sushi, pizza, pasta, and poolside grill items. The pool deck itself is always a pleasant retreat. Or if you prefer indoor relaxation, the Hemisphere Observation Lounge is a great option. It's perfect for trivia lovers and bookworms desiring a great view. You can also get pampered at the posh Aqua Spa. And grab a healthy bite to eat at the Spa Cafe. The treatment areas are expertly designed. Still, when looking for time to yourself, there's nothing quite like your own stateroom or suite. And on board the Celebrity Century, there are plenty of comfortable options. That range in size and amenities. But always keep to the premium brand. With spaces that are warm and inviting. And are looked after with excellent service. Because luxury that is accessible with great value is what Celebrity Cruises is all about. And the Celebrity Century is the perfect blend of old school and new school celebrity. And she's even slated for further improvements in early 2014. Thanks for joining us on board the Celebrity Century. For even more cruise ship reviews and tours, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit popularcruising.com.